my boy. I already opened it. I couldn't wait, but I found out that that bearing that was messed up on the flywheel actually comes with the kit. And I found the proper name for it, the pilot bearing. But yeah, it comes in here, so there goes that. Saves me some time. And ooh, see it, my boy. Ain't gonna be on grip time. Yeah, this should be heavy. So yeah, I know I said I was gonna go with a stage 1, but I changed my mind. I was like, I've always had on 6-puck on most of the cars. I had stage 1. I really didn't like it, and I just love how my cars feel when they're aggressive. I just love aggressive cars. You know, you want yours to respond, and like I said before, man, I'm not going easy on this car. Whatever I want them to do to it, I want it to be fast. That's it. As ugly as she looks. Just wait, my boy. Just wait, my boy.